Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Lok Sabha Secretariat Consultant jobs for 2021. If you want to know about the jobs details, you can check the link from the description, or you can also head over to our website Freshers Now, because our website will give you all of the information and the links to apply directly. All of this at one place. Don't forget to join us through Telegram. You will be getting regular job updates. Link in the description. Lok Sabha Secretariat has opened its vacancies under the administrative branch. The vacancy details or the job details can be found through the official notification. If you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link from the description. You can open the same notification. Criteria is these consultants will be engaged into work-related speeches, talking points, messages, social media accounts, etc. And these consultants will not be treated as employees on regular cadre in Lok Sabha Secretariat. They will be engaging full-time itself, but during the given period time only. And period of engagement is going to be initially only for 1 year. After 1 year is finished, according to your performance and whatever the duties you are fulfilling, according to that will be further extended to 2 years. The services will be terminated without notice if your performance is unsatisfactory, so there will be no notice period again. Age limit given is 58 years, minimum you should have 22, and the fees is as follows. Social media marketing, which is called a senior consultant, is 65,000 per month. For junior it is 35,000. For media analyst Hindi, 45,000. For junior content writer Hindi, 35,000. Junior content writer English, 35,000 again. For social media marketing junior associate, 30,000. For manager events, 50,000 per month. And the next details is for reporting, which means your duties which you are going to have, the working hours. You will be covered under health. The consultant will be extended also the facility of health, medical insurance, and you will be not entitled to any of the travel allowances. You will be having the following leaves, casual leaves, 12 days per year respectively. The residential accommodation is also, no accommodation is provided, and you will be given 1 month notice in regards to the equal month fees if the consultant wishes to terminate the engagement. And prior, you should make sure that you will not have any property possession and obtain a no demand certificate in the prescribed format as well. During the period of engagement as well, make sure that the rules and the regulations will be operated according to the organization, and you would have to submit your marital status as well if you are having more than one wife or husband living in an engagement. And here is an oath you have to be taking against the allegations. The residuary decision of the Lok Sabha Secretariat will be final in all respects and matter if you are willing to apply with the prescribed format given in Annexure B, which means in the same notification towards the end, you have to fill that one and attach all the relevant documents. After that, send it to the address which is given here. The last date would be on 11th of October 2021, and eligible candidates, you have to attend for a personal interview once if you are shortlisted for the board. And you can also visit the website for time to time information or any of the updates regarding the job. So as you can see here, when you come down, for the Annexure A, these are the positions, the education requirement, and for first is for a senior consultant, it is a bachelor's degree in any discipline. Work experience is minimum 2 years required, and next is desirable when the candidate is working in a fast-paced environment and also multitasking. Again, for junior consultant, minimum 1 year of experience with a bachelor's degree in business management or marketing. And for content writer, media analyst, bachelor's degree in political science, journalism, law and Hindi language, minimum 2 years of relevant experience is required. So for all of the posts, you should have a bachelor's degree with relevant 1 or 2 years of experience in the post qualifications field. So even as a content writer, you should be having 1 or 2 years of relevant experience so that in order to be eligible. So after this Annexure A, you can find the Annexure B, which is the proforma for the application form. Here you have to stick your passport size photograph, and here the biodata, your name. You have to keep it a full name. Don't keep your initials just mentioning the letter. Mention your full name as it is in your higher secondary, your husband's or father's name, your age, years, date of birth and sex, nationality, residential address or temporary or permanent address, place it here, district, state with the pin code and telephone, and education qualification from matriculation onwards, which means right from your 10th standard you should give all of the relevant education. And if you are having any experience regarding professional career or anything like that, place it here, because this is mostly for all of the experienced people. So make sure you are putting it here, and your emoluments that you're getting. After that, you have to make sure that you are prescribing the post and whichever post that you have worked for, the essentials and also desirable qualifications that you have to, and declaration, place date and the applicant's signature. So make sure you sign it up carefully and write your full name at the bottom. If you have further queries, place them in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.